If you are soil blocking, I love you, and you've probably noticed that not all potting mix is created equal, and you would be right. So here's the thing. Most potting mixes are just set up to go in cell trays or other things, not in soil blocks. And so when you try to put regular potting mix in a soil blocker, they don't make great soil blocks. They'd fall apart way too easily. So you want a mix that is high in coconut coir or peat moss. Those two things can be compressed easily and still have plenty of airspace for those little burgeoning roots to grow. And I wanted to share this with you too. We made this handy little mix. It's a DIY soil blocking potting mix. So you can use it as just potting mix period for anything, but especially if you're soil blocking, it makes life so easy because it has gypsum and some other things that, in addition to being nutrients, just help it bind together. So, and there's also an ingredient list on the back for a recipe so you can make your own super economical potting mix. Really easily accessible ingredients like coconut coir, peat moss, perlite, literally that's it, plus this. And so it's an amazing opportunity to make gorgeous potting mix, better than basically anything you'll ever find at a garden store or grocery garden center. So I am so excited to share this with you. One of the greatest disappointments I have that I share with people when they're trying to soil block and they're just failing miserably, and it's most of the time simply because they don't have the right potting mix to make it really work well. So now you know, not all potting mix is created equal, and if you're soil blocking especially, you really want something that's high in coconut coir and or peat moss. And friends, we have this marvelous mix to set you up for success.